What's up, boys? I'm back. Today is the 12th of March, Thursday, currently Friday in Australia. I took technically 2 trades today. Only one trade New York AM session, but I woke up in Asia session and caught a little $100 winning day today just to secure this payout. Got back on the Thursday from my holiday, and yes, we are securing about $1,000 payout with lucid trading. So I got some capital I can reinvest into accounts. Only a small payout, nothing too crazy, about 1,400 Australian dollars, but I'm happy I have secured it. Just got 2 winning days over the past 2 days, so very happy with that. I have no idea when I took the trade. It was literally a scalp to like an internal high or low during Asia session. Like, we probably tapped off of, yeah, I'm just not even going to be bothered trying to find it. But I did just get back from the JOB. I work as a bartender. Technically, I own 2 nightclubs. So that's pretty sweet. Got home. My mum drove me home. I got home at 11:57. It's 12:19 right now. Market opens at midnight for me. So got home straight on the laptop, just sussing out the charts. As you can see, coming into the day, we're quite bearish. We are in this bullish 4-hour fair value gap, but I'm not too worried about that. We also have this 4-hour unfilled fair value gap. Oh wait, no, this is the one unfilled 4-hour that I was hoping we would move to over the past few days. We did tap into this hourly. We came up into this range. I'm not sure if we tapped equilibrium. We edged equilibrium of the range. Not too much on the higher time frame bias, to be honest. If we can see here, we tapped into this 15-minute bearish fair value gap coming lower. We had really strong draws to the downside. We had the London lows, which we swept pretty much off open. We had midnight open here. That's one of my favorite draws on liquidity. We love to tap midnight open and Asia lows. That's sort of what was driving me bearish overall for the whole day. And ES is pretty much looking the same, very correlated. Took London lows off open and then took these 2 lows as well. So yeah, off open, we can see the market open candle was right here. Market open, we pushed up into these gaps. I thought we were going to deliver and run all this sell side liquidity off open, but we didn't. I'm low-key glad we didn't. We took London lows, leaving no SMT with ES, so also very happy about that. I know we love to leave SMTs off market open and stuff like that. We retraced up. I was looking for longs at around this point because we have so much buy side liquidity up here that we could potentially want to take, and we were tapping into hourly fair value gaps. So there was potential for both ways. I like the draws on liquidity to the downside a lot more for the day, but we also had lots of buy side liquidity to potentially run. I'm glad we didn't end up running that. And then, yeah, as you can see, we moved into this 5-minute gap. We did inverse this 5-minute gap. Wasn't too worried, though. We tapped this 5-minute gap, 5-minute unfilled fair value gap, and we chopped around for a few minutes on the 5-minute time frame. I saw we got this very strong candle closure to the downside, sort of confirming this bearish bias. For today, I took shorts just on 2 evals, halfway passing them, so hopefully I can get these past tomorrow. Would be pretty splendid. End the week off good, but I'm obviously not going to force a trade or anything along those lines. I did enter off this 5-minute candle closure. 1 minute was looking quite bearish. I was thinking about entering here with stops above this swing high. Usually when I eval trade, I risk about $1,000 to make 1,000 to 1,500. Just depends on draw and liquidity and how everything is looking. But yeah, we had this 5-minute really good displacing candle. Waited for the 5 minutes to close. Very tempting to take it off this, but I didn't. Waited for the 5-minute candle to close. Very strong closure. I think I held to around here because that's where the 1,500 mark was. My stop loss was around here above this fair value gap. Around here, whatever a 1 to 1.5 was, and took it all the way down, pretty much delivered straight away. As soon as we took midnight open, I went break even, risk-free trade. It would suck to lose $1,000 on this trade when you could be break even, and we also swept this internal low. So that's sort of the thought behind the whole trade. Nothing too crazy. Work was super good tonight. Ended up, it was a singles night. And it's always so funny to watch all the people, like all the unks, try and pick up these random girls and just forcing conversation and stuff. But yeah, towards the end of the night, these two random girls came in not knowing it was a singles night, some 20-year-olds, and you know your boy secured the Snapchat and stuff. So look, he's some Asian baddie. Gotta love it. But yeah, pretty sweet trade for the day. We were also in OT of a bullish range before we were entering. That's why I was sort of bullish. As you can see here, we tapped into OTE of this bullish range, so it was lots of potential to run all this buy side liquidity up here. But yeah, looks like we're just going to run all the way down to this 4-hour unfilled fair value gap. But took my piece of the pie today. Not much else to really be said. I'm glad I can secure this payout. It's going to help the finances a lot, especially after traveling. And yeah, hopefully we can scale to these 3 accounts, build them up, get a little payout on all 3, and then I don't know. That's my goal for March, is to get just a few payouts rolling into scale. I'm not too worried about going for 10k a month so far. I'm just want to scale back up to the capital I had before. And yeah, everything's looking pretty positive at the moment. Hope everyone traded well today. Hopefully I was recording. I was indeed. Hope everyone traded well today and had a good day overall. DM me on Instagram if you need any help with anything. Use code Jacob with Alpha Futures. I haven't got a Lucid affiliate or anything yet, but low-key Lucid banging firm. So request this tomorrow morning. When I can request it. I can't request it now, can I? No, I can't. And I have to still verify my ID because I haven't taken any payouts with Lucid yet. So yeah, that'll be sweet. I'll catch you boys later. I hope everyone traded well and have a good day. Peace.